Hi guys, this is Soumya and here I am back with another YouTube video. Yes. So in this video, I'm going to share with you some of the randomest things about me so that you guys get to know me a bit better. So without any further ado, I think you should grab some snacks because it is going to be a pretty long video and we should just get into it. Alright, so starting with the easier ones, the first question is what is my age? So I'm 22 years old, I was born in 1998 and I'm comparatively younger to like my whole batch because like my parents kicked me off to school when I was just 2.5 years old, I guess. Yeah. So the second thing is what have I studied and what do I do? So I have studied fashion design because I always wanted to do something creative. I did not want to end up in a 9-to-5 job. Well, that is what I'm doing ironically right now. But yeah, I wanted to do something creative, so I studied that, and right now I am working as a social media manager for fashion brands. Coming to the third one, when is my birthday? My birthday falls on 23rd April. Yes, I am a Taurus and my characteristics, they completely match with the Taurus, and yeah, I am a bull. Fourth is my nicknames. So my parents did not really give me any nicknames, but people do not pronounce my name right, so people call me Soumya, Sonia, Sonia, Soumya. And also the spelling of my name is not correct. It should be Saumya or Soumya, but it is Somya. Yeah, it is a mess. But when I moved on to the college, my friends called me Somu at times, so I think that is one nickname that I have. Okay, so next one is whether I'm an introvert or an extrovert. I am definitely on an introvert side now. I am pretty much an ambivert, but back in school I used to be a complete nerd, the shy kid who didn't used to talk to anyone, who was scared all the time, who couldn't go up to people and ask for something. But now, because of the work that I do, I have become an ambivert. But still, when I go to parties or gatherings or when I meet new people, I go back to my shell and I think I become that introvert person yet again. Okay, coming on to the next thing, what did I want to become when I was younger? When I was in class 6th or 7th, I used to take singing classes. I learned classical music, so back then I was good, like my voice was also pretty good, so I wanted to become a singer at that point of time. But when I shifted to class 9th, I had to leave my singing classes because I had to give priority to my studies. So yeah, that is what happened, but I wish I continued it and I still love singing. The next thing is that I had maths phobia. Yes, I was that kid who used to cry before maths exam. Even though I hated maths, I still took maths in class 11th, where I had a choice to drop it because I had commerce and I thought that people will think how stupid I am for taking commerce. So just to compensate it, so that I can say I'm not that I'm not that bad and I have commerce plus maths, and I was just passing in the 11th grade ka final exam, so I thought, man, I cannot do it, so I just left it. Next thing is that after class 10th, I suddenly became this bright student. Kuch jadoo ho gaya. So yeah, when I took commerce, I realized that I really enjoyed it. I was so interested in it that I suddenly became good in studies, and I think I got 93% in class 12th. When I was applying for my college, there was this criteria that if you get 93 above, you get 100% scholarship.
Meritorious students who have stood out academically.
I almost did my graduation, like 3 years of my graduation for free. Coming on to next, I am 5'3". Yeah, I am short. In pictures, I feel it's not that visible, but yeah. Next thing is that I love these romantic, mushy movies. I love these happily ever after movies, and I hate these movies jiska end acha nahi hota hai. The next thing is that I am super duper messy. Yes, my room is always a mess. My cupboard is a mess, my makeup is always scattered. I'm not this person who keeps things into places. The next thing is that I bite my nails. Yes, I have this bad habit of biting my nails whenever I'm stressed, whenever there's something going on in my mind. When I had braces on my teeth, so I couldn't bite them, so isliye I had to stop. But after that I started it again. I don't know, like I am trying to leave, but I just can't. Coming on to the next thing, I have an obsession with hair transformation. For past 5 years, I've been doing something or other to my hair because I feel like hair is something you can experiment so much with, and that can just bring so much change in your personality. You can completely look like a different person. The next thing is that I'm very bad at directions. I am bad at explaining it to someone. I'm bad at following them. I should be like guilty and I should crumble myself and put myself in my own pocket. I'm so bad. Coming on to the next thing, I hate traveling. I really like the idea of visiting new places and meeting new people, but I hate the process of traveling. Like I just can't take petrol ki smell. I just pass out. I literally pass out. The next thing is that I'm super scared of thundering and getting stuck in lifts. The next thing is that I'm a super emotional and sensitive person. Having said that, I'm not good at showing those emotions. So yeah, I think I have to work upon it. The next weird thing about me is that I practice thank you speeches in my shower. I act like मेरे को कोई award मिला है and I have to go and grab the mic and I literally deliver my thank you speech पूरे 10-15 मिनट की. Now my mama will come to know why I take 45 minutes बाहर आने में shower से. The next thing is that whenever I'm hungry, nothing can fill my stomach other than desi Indian foods. Like I really love pizza, okay, but अगर मेरे को भूख लग रही है, nothing can fill my stomach other than roti sabzi. The next thing is, ये इसके लिए मैं बहुत डांट भी खाती हूँ कि I keep on saying this, but I have never broken a bone in my life. I've never had like a surgery or something. ऐसे कुछ टूटा फूटा नहीं है मेरा, touch wood. Next thing is that I love watching night sky. I love staring sky at night. I love the stars. I love moon. I talk to the night sky. I feel like somebody is over there listening to me. The next thing is that I have a slightly tilted nose. जानबूझ के मैंने point last में रखा है कि ज़्यादा लोग ना देख पाएं. So I don't know how many of you saw it. I have a slightly tilted nose. I don't know if you can tell it. इसे nose थोड़ी सी इस side को है. See, it's naturally like this. It should be like this. The next thing is that peace of mind is the most important thing for me. That is why I feel the need to surround myself with people whom I can look up to and say, you know, like I want to be like them. The next thing is that I have never smoked and I also can't drive. So I went to driving classes जो सिखाते हैं. I also completed the course, but then I lost the hang of it because I live in Delhi and I don't have car over there. So I wish to drive my own car. Okay, coming to the last one. So the person that I love the most and I admire the most is my mom. We don't really share a mother-daughter relationship. We really share a friend wala relationship. We know almost everything about each other. You know, sometimes कभी अगर कोई हमारी बातें सुनता है तो they get shocked that oh my god, how can you talk about all these things? But I feel that, you know, that is how the relationship between a parent and a bacha should be like. So yeah, that is it. We have come to the end of the video. We have finally finished it. It is almost an hour that I have been talking. If you like it, please like it. Comment down below what all things you relate to. And subscribe to my channel. Please, please, please. That is super, super important. Please subscribe to my channel. Please, please, please. And I'll see you next week. Till then, please take care of yourselves. Stay kind to others. That is it. That's a wrap.